Hi everyone, I'm Michael Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate team. We're at 120 University Avenue East, Unit 503 in Cobourg. This luxury townhouse condo is situated in a great area. Short walk to the downtown and the Cobourg beach. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll see the spacious foyer and office area. You will love the upgraded gourmet kitchen with a lot of cabinet space. It is open to the dining and living areas. The primary bedroom is bright and open with a newly renovated 3-piece bath. There's also a main level laundry. The loft area is grand with a lot of living space and an office. The upper level also has a spacious bedroom and a 4-piece ensuite. The lower level has a good-sized rec room and a 3-piece bath. A great feature is the backyard patio area.